So any shower head you buy nowadays is going to have what's called a flow restrictor installed into it. And what that does is it just regulates the water pressure to be less. Now, the reason they do that is just to conserve water. You can remove those if you like, and I can show you how to do that. You'll have a washer in your shower head. You take that out, and then if you look inside of it, you will have a little black O-ring. And what you do is you take a pick, maybe some tweezers, and you just stick it in there, and then remove it, like so. You have your O-ring, and then you have your plastic, and it's got a few holes in there to give you more flow. Now with this in there, it does obviously reduce the water flow, so when you take that out, it'll be much better. Now when you do that, you will be using more water, and you will use up your hot water a little quicker, so just be aware of that when you do that.
If I've got a bunch of gunk inside my shower head whenever I take it off, what would be the best way to clean that out?
To clean it out, you could take it off, run it in the faucet, kind of hit it like that, get some stuff out. You can use a little tool like a pick. You could put some cleaner in there to try and get it out. Those are the best ways to get it. Some of them do come with a little filter in them, a screen, and you can take that out and scrub it off and put it back in.
So I just decided to buy a new shower head and wanted to replace it. Can you show us how to do that?
I sure can show you how to put a new one on. We'll take the old one off first. Now this one, you can just unscrew. Some of them you do need a tool, like some crescent wrench to get it off. But for this one, we should be able to unscrew it, like so. And sometimes when you do this, it will be on there pretty tight, and you want to make sure that your shower arm does not move. Because if that moves in the wall, it could leak. Put that down there. And then you always want to read the instructions that come with it. Some of them require you to use some Teflon tape. Some of them don't. They just use the washer. For this one, we'll put some Teflon tape on it just to show. Wrap that on there. Take this. Thread it on by hand. Sometimes hand tight's all you need, but if it needs to be a little tighter, you just take your crescent wrench, line it up on the flat notches there so you don't mark it up. Give it a little turn, and that's it. If you turn on the water and it still does leak a little bit, you can always try tightening it some more. If not, take it back off, put some more Teflon tape, and put it back on.
Hi, I'm Theron Young, president of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.